Holi, the festival of colors, stands as a testament to the richness of Indian culture and the celebration of unity amidst diversity. Originating from ancient Hindu traditions, Holi has transcended boundaries to become a global phenomenon, cherished by people of all backgrounds. In this exploration, we delve deep into the heart of Holi, uncovering its cultural significance, traditions, and the joy it brings to millions around the world. Historical roots and cultural significance. Holi's roots can be traced back to Hindu mythology, primarily centered around the legend of Prahlada and Holika, as well as the divine love of Radha and Krishna. Prahlada, a devotee of Lord Vishnu, survived the flames of Holika's pyre, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. Meanwhile, the playful antics of Lord Krishna and his consort Radha, who smeared each other with colors, inspired the joyful aspect of Holi. The festival marks the arrival of spring, bidding farewell to the cold winter months and welcoming the season of renewal and growth. Beyond its mythological origins, Holi holds profound cultural significance. It transcends religious boundaries, bringing people together regardless of their faith, caste, or creed. Holi serves as a reminder of the importance of unity, love, and forgiveness in a diverse society. Preparations for Holi begin weeks in advance, igniting a palpable sense of excitement in communities across India and beyond. Families come together to prepare traditional delicacies like gujiya, sweet dumplings, and thandai, a spiced milk beverage, adding flavorsome delights to the festivities. The eve of Holi, known as Holika Dahan, is marked by the lighting of bonfires, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. People gather around these fires, chanting prayers and performing rituals to ward off negativity and invite positivity into their lives. The main event, playing with colors. The highlight of Holi is undoubtedly the playful throwing of colors. Streets and squares transform into kaleidoscopic playgrounds, as people of all ages join in the revelry. Clouds of vibrant powder fill the air, coating everyone in a joyful palette of hues. The throwing of colors symbolizes the breaking down of barriers and the celebration of equality. In this riot of colors, differences of caste, class, and status vanish, and everyone becomes equal participants in the jubilation. Music and dance, accompanying the colorful chaos, are the infectious beats of traditional folk music and dance. Drum beats reverberate through the streets, urging people to dance with abandon. Folk dancers clad in bright attire weave through the crowds, their energetic movements adding to the exuberance of the celebrations. Music and dance play a vital role in fostering a sense of community and camaraderie during Holi. It transcends linguistic barriers, with people from diverse backgrounds coming together to sway to the rhythm of unity and joy. Embracing love and forgiveness. Beyond its outward revelry, Holi carries a deeper message of love and forgiveness. It's a time for individuals to mend broken relationships, burying past grievances and starting anew. The festival encourages people to let go of grudges, replacing animosity with affection and understanding. As part of the celebrations, families and friends exchange embraces, sweets, and heartfelt wishes. The spirit of Holi extends beyond familial ties, as neighbors and strangers alike exchange greetings and goodwill. Cities around the world host their own Holi festivals, attracting participants from diverse cultural backgrounds. These events serve as a melting pot of cultures, fostering cross-cultural understanding and appreciation. Holi's popularity on the global stage can be attributed to its universal themes of love, unity, and joy. Whether in India, the United States, Australia, or beyond, people come together to revel in the spirit of Holi, creating vibrant tapestries of color and camaraderie. Challenges and contemporary relevance. While Holi embodies the ideals of unity and celebration, it also faces challenges in modern times. Concerns have been raised about the environmental impact of synthetic colors and water wastage during the festival. Inclusion of made-in-China colors, which are mostly chemical-based, is also affecting the health and cause skin-related issues, especially for kids. Efforts are underway to promote eco-friendly celebrations, advocating for the use of natural colors and water conservation practices. Moreover, Holi's message of inclusivity is sometimes overshadowed by instances of cultural appropriation and insensitivity. It's essential to approach Holi with respect for its cultural roots and significance, honoring its traditions while embracing diversity. As we immerse ourselves in the vibrant colors and joyous rhythms of Holi, let us remember its timeless message of love, forgiveness, and togetherness. Happy Holi to all our viewers.